it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, Touch of Magic. So today I'm doing day one of Spellbinders 13 Days of Craftoween. We on the team are going to be doing starting today, revealing each day as we go. I've opened the box. That's all I've done. I haven't opened the packaging yet. So we'll do that together and we'll see what we're working with today. Now I did unwrap the tissue paper, I will admit, because I didn't want it to be too noisy on camera. So we have that with the cute sticker. Then we have some lovely stamp set, very seasonally appropriate to work with whatever is in the packaging. And then some colorfully appropriate bling for the season. And then all the days come in their own little sleeve. And let's open up day one. Take the bling and the stamp set out. We're probably going to need that. Let's open day one and see what we're working with here. I'm excited. Packaging is adorable. I love these little pockets. Ooh, ooh. Well, have a fantastic night, shall we? All right. Well, let's create. I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to make something. We'll come back and I'll share it with you. This is so fun. I mean, if that's not just adorable, I don't know what is. Hang tight. Back in two. Okay, this was really cute. You probably caught my oops there, and I could have spaced this a little better, but it's the first time through. Cut everything, make it, see what we got, right? Good thing is, remember, this is just paper. Use your scraps, play with it, have fun, see what you get. All right, now I'm gonna see what I can pull together for a card. Alrighty, I decided that for all of my Craftoween days, I'm going to make one of these little essential envelopes. They're great for little, they're big enough you can tuck a gift card into, or some candy, or just a little something something. So that's what I'm going to use. These were on sale the other day. Don't know if they still are. If they are, I will link them for sure. So it's the essential envelope, And it does come with a bunch of other things, leaves, which are great for fall as well. But that's what I'm going to use for this today. I'm taking that pretty piece that I had and I'm cutting just a front panel to go on top of here for the background. You could do it right on here, but I thought this was spooky sky kind of vibe. So I'm just going to trim this down according to the score mark so that it just fits on top. All right, I'm going to assemble and play music and do that kind of stuff, and then we'll see what it looks like at the end. Yes, I should have stamped on that before I did that. When you're creating on the fly, sometimes weird things happen. So I'm going to try and stamp it in here. Worst case scenario, I will stamp it on another piece and fussy cut it. But let's give it a go. Because this has the Tim Holtz mica sprays on it, I'm going to use the archival. I have had better luck with that actually imprinting properly. Fingers crossed. Oh, that's not bad. We're going to try it again. Not sure what I was going to get out of that, but we'll try it. Pressure. It's not terrible. Yeah, the inks make it, not the inks, the sprays, because of the mica and stuff in them, it doesn't come off when it's dry, but it does make it harder to just stamp over top of. But you know, that's not terrible. We're going to tuck him on there. We're going to call it good. Now, the fun thing about these little pockets is that, as I said, you could tuck a note card in there. You could tuck a gift card. You could put candy. All right, that's day one. It's a wrap. I really think he's adorable. Super fun to make. Following the directions. Oh, see what I did? I'm going to fix that. So the teeth are supposed to be underneath. Aha, that's why they look funny. Going to fix them. You know, it's paper. We can do that. But the good thing is my mistakes means that you get to learn how to do it right. That's how crafting on the fly works. Okay, I'm going to interject this in amongst what I'm doing. I'm doing this after the fact. I didn't like the way this turned out because I had the teeth wrong and it just looked really silly. And it had dried too long to me for me to be able to just pull up the paper and reposition. So I pulled it off the front, as you can see, and then I redid him with all colored paper this time. So some crimson, some gray, some white, some black. What I did properly this time is I put the teeth on first, the tongue on first, and the hands on first. And then on top of that, you would put the face and the sweater because that overlaps everything else. So I went teeth, tongue, hands, face, and then the sweater. I hope that's helpful. Learn from my mistakes. Now I'm going to put him back on top of here and cover up my oopses like I would have the first time around. And I'm going to just put him in and it will cover up everything. And so as you can see, this first one, it just didn't work out the same. But there we go. And I'm going to put a block on him, call it done. I still love the little pocket. It's fun. This is such a cute die set. I do hope you'll give it a try. And if you have the kit already and you're making some goodies, I would love to see it. Tag me on social media. I will have links in the description for the product and anything else that I use that I can link up for you. I'm an affiliate for Spellbinders amongst other companies, and the links you do use are affiliate links. And I do appreciate if you shop through them. I do earn a small commission. Just as a disclaimer, I put that always on all my social media. Also, if you haven't already, thumbs up, please. I would appreciate it. Please subscribe. I'd love to bring you along on this fun, crafty journey and see what we can create together. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you again tomorrow.